Alright, hi everybody. Here's another update for the Ashlight Survival game that I'm working on for Treehouse Gaming. As you can see in front of you here, you got a cute little building going on over here. This is actually what I've been working on all week, is getting this construction system working. The models were created by another one of the interns prior to me, but I took those pieces and made them all work together. As you can see, it's kind of a cute looking little thing. You can open up the doors. Pretty dark inside right now. We don't have any torches or whatnot, but there are stairs you can place inside, and I put a whole bunch of grid ceiling pieces or trapdoor ceiling pieces up here because I wanted to be able to see something at least. As you can see, it's not perfect yet because every now and then you'll get these cracks that are going right down the middle. Those are actually relatively easy to fix because currently we have them lerping, which is a certain amount of time it takes to go from one point to another. It was supposed to make it kind of a smooth transition effect, but it kind of just looked terrible. So, uh, not terrible, but it doesn't have the effect that we were looking for. So we're going to be changing that. Anyways, to give you a demonstration of how it works, you go into build mode, and currently you have the key buttons down here, 1 through 9 or 1 through 0, and then we also use minus and the tilde keys to select between pieces. As you can see, currently I've got one of the foundation pieces here. You can use the scroll wheel to scale it up and down depending on how high you want it to be. Just put it there for now. Now, this is where some of those snapping issues come from. You see how it's moving back and forth slowly between each side? Not necessarily slowly, but moving back and forth. Well, unfortunately, that can also cause gaps inside here. You'll see it while it's moving around. And because the pieces place exactly where the preview piece is, it will cause gaps if it's moving around like that. So let's just place a 2x2 grid here of pieces. Now we also got these floor pieces. The collider boxes for the floor pieces and all the other pieces isn't quite working perfectly yet, so you'll see it show up as red. You can still place the pieces right now. Eventually we'll be changing that so that if it shows up red, you can't place a piece, and it'll collide properly. I'm going to go ahead and place a stair piece here. There we go. As you can see, you have to be looking directly at a compatible object. In this case, you have to be looking at the foundation in order to place the outside stairs properly. A little bit frustrating, but it's a work in progress right now. We got a wall piece up here right now. So what we're going to do is going to hit E a couple of times, build a couple walls. I'm going to actually build a window as well here. A couple of windows there. Put a doorway piece right here. Now the thing about the doorway is depending on the direction you're looking, whichever way you're looking, the door will open out from you. And in order to have the door, see the door there, you have to be looking at the wall piece right here. And when you do it, it's actually destroying the original wall and creating a new prefab for that door to open and close. So there's that. Let's go ahead and put another wall there. Now, this is the same floor piece we were using earlier on the foundation. It'll actually double as a ceiling piece as well. As you can see right there, place it. It'll snap onto where we need it to be. We also got the stair pieces, and these you can actually rotate around using your scroll wheel depending on the direction you want it to go. I want it to go right there. Put that there, that there. And just for giggles, we're going to put a trapdoor ceiling piece right there. Another thing is we also got these, where were they? We got these bars for the windows that you're going to be able to place. And if you're looking at a compatible object, it'll snap into the spot that needs to go. When you do that, you'll have now bars that can block other players' entry from getting into your house. So now we're going to go upstairs using these stairs that we created. And you can see now we're on top here, and you can, if you're looking at a wall that's compatible, you can actually place other walls on top of it. You can also do it by looking at the foundation or the floor pieces here. So yeah, that's a basic run of the of the construction system we got here. It's now very dark in here because no light. That's another thing we need to work on is getting like little torches you can place inside your house so you can actually see something. Yeah, so that's a basic run of the test system. I'm also going to post a video maybe later, maybe another day. We got a basic motion capture system running using iPies software, and it uses a Connect 360 sensor. Currently, we're only using one, but it supposedly can use two, so we'll see how that goes. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all another time.